how to buy Amazon Prime membership. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to basically buy Amazon Prime membership, the easiest way to do so will be from your browser. So open up your browser and just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then after you have done that, just make sure to tap on your profile icon and log into your account where you want to get the Prime membership. Then from there you'll find an option that says start your free trial, so you can tap on start your free trial option. Then you'll be able to see a list of all the Prime benefits that you get with Prime. Then after you do that, you can just tap on add a credit or debit card. Then make sure to simply enter your payment details. Once you enter your payment details, you have successfully bought Amazon membership. This way you can buy Prime membership on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.